In 2023, Ian King released a new stock teaser called Chip Wars, where he claimed that you could make between 1,000 to 5,000% returns over the next 5 years by investing in a certain semiconductor stock. That's a huge number, but which stock was King talking about and how did it actually end up performing? Well, as usual, Ian wanted people to buy his newsletter to learn the name of this stock, but in this video, I'll just tell you for free. On top of that, I'll show you how the stock performed a year after King recommended it, so you'll know if Ian King's recommendations are worth listening to. I'm about to tell you the name of the stock that King was teasing, but first, I have a free gift to help you in the stock market. Click the link in the description, and I'll send you an issue of the only stock-picking newsletter that I use and recommend. I'm literally giving it away for free, so just click the link in the description and I'll send it right away. Ian King was talking about Axcelis Technologies. Axcelis Technologies Inc. is a leader in providing high-productivity solutions for the semiconductor industry. They are renowned for their ion implantation systems, a crucial component in the fabrication of integrated circuits in semiconductor devices. Ion implantation involves accelerating ions and directing them onto a semiconductor substrate to alter its properties, which is vital for forming junctions in semiconductor devices. Axcelis's products include high-energy, high-current, and medium-current implanters, and they also offer a range of aftermarket services like used tools, spare parts, equipment upgrades, maintenance services, and customer training. These products and services are essential for manufacturing microelectronic devices, including semiconductors and thin film heads for hard disk drives, catering to a global customer base. For the most up-to-date information about Axcelis Technologies and its offerings, I recommend visiting the company's official website or checking its latest press releases. Investing in Axcelis Technologies could be profitable for a few reasons. Firstly, the semiconductor industry is set for sustained growth, driven by the increasing demand for advanced technologies across various sectors. As industries seek higher computing power and faster data processing, the need for advanced semiconductors rises, potentially boosting Axcelis's growth prospects. Also, Axcelis's specialization in ion implantation technologies, which are critical in semiconductor manufacturing, provides them with a niche market where they can assert their expertise. This could lead to stable demand for their products and services. But while there are advantages to investing in Axcelis Technologies, there are also a lot of potential problems. First of all, the semiconductor industry is cyclical, meaning Axcelis's financial performance could be influenced by economic cycles and fluctuations in semiconductor demand. During economic downturns, demand for semiconductors might decrease, negatively impacting Axcelis's revenues and profits. Another potential issue is the fact that Axcelis faces stiff competition in the semiconductor equipment industry. Larger, well-capitalized competitors may have more resources for research and development and other competitive strategies. If Axcelis cannot keep pace with its competitors' innovations or effectively differentiate its products, it could lose market share. Also keep in mind that the complexity and ever-changing nature of international markets also present risks, including foreign exchange rate fluctuations, tariffs, trade disputes, and regulatory changes. Lastly, continuous investment in research and development is crucial for Axcelis to stay ahead of rapid technological changes and evolving customer requirements. These investments can cost a lot of money, and there's still no guarantee that they will lead to higher profits. However, despite these potential drawbacks, King believes Axcelis Technologies will seriously benefit from America's efforts to bring chip manufacturing back home. While Axcelis doesn't produce chips, it makes ion implantation equipment essential for advanced chip makers. He predicted that as chip manufacturing booms in the US, Axcelis's products will be in higher demand. Axcelis has seen some growth over the past couple of years, jumping from around $50 to nearly $200 at its peak. But since King recommended it in 2023, Axcelis hasn't performed too well. In May 2023, it was trading at about $142, and as of July 2024, it has dropped to $126. This represents an 11% loss. You can also see that the stock has lots of spikes and dips, which could be a sign of a risky investment. And to add salt to the wound, had you simply invested in a general index fund instead of risking your money with Axcelis, you would have made over 20% in returns over the course of the year. So clearly, King dropped the ball on this one. And it's certainly not the first time he's given horrible stock picks. If you're sick of people like King, I have good news. I recently discovered a high-quality stock picking service that actually has proven results. It's called the Insider Newsletter. It's my favorite stock picking service because instead of pumping out stock teasers and advertisements, the team dedicates almost all their energy to finding the best stocks for long-term investors. As you can see, their stock recommendations actually beat the market in the long term. I want you to experience their newsletters for yourself, so I have something special for you. Click the link in the description and I'll send you one of their past newsletters with 5 stock picks for free.